Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space, and welcome to another craft video. Today I have two friends with me.
Hi, I'm Haley.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Thanks for coming. Today, what are we making?
For St. Patrick's Day, we're making paper strip rainbows.
Nice.
So at the end of the rainbow is where the leprechaun hides their gold.
That's right. And this one I made, oh, and there's your pot of gold. And this one I made to hang. Okay, nice. So before we get started, we'll begin with a breathing exercise to get us nice and relaxed and in the mood to craft.
All right, great. So we're gonna do a rainbow breath today. So on the in breath, you're gonna lift your arm like this, and then on the out breath, it's gonna do the other half of your rainbow. So we're gonna do this 2 times.
Okay, great.
All right, breathe in and out. One more time.
Nice. Thank you, Haley. So what are the supplies that we're going to need today?
Construction paper, scissors, stapler, and a ruler.
Okay, great. So it's time to get started. What is the first step?
Right, so first you're gonna wanna get 6 strips of paper. And your strips of paper should be the colors of the rainbow. So it goes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Okay, got them.
Once you have your 6 strips, they should be about 9 inches. You're gonna line them up and then you're going to start cutting them about 1 inch shorter than the next one. So you can keep your red at 9 inches and then your orange is gonna be 8. Your yellow is then gonna be 7. Green is 6. Then your blue is 5, and then your purple is at 4. So they should all be a little shorter than the other.
Great. I seem to have lost my red strip, so not all rainbows are perfect. I'm just going to make mine with 5. And can you show me how you are measuring from 9 inch down to 8 inch?
Yeah. So with these, I'll start with red and orange. So they're both at 9 inches. I'm going to grab a ruler. And then for the orange one, I'll just find out like around where an inch is and just mark it right there. And then you cut it a little bit short. So
Okay.
do that right now.
I don't have a ruler. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sort of eye it.
Yeah, you can totally eyeball it. It's just an inch, so it's all right if it's a little off. So once you have that, you just cut it off like that. And then you keep on doing that with your colors.
Okay.
Just like this?
Yep, until you have something that looks like this with all your colors together.
Okay, so here I've done it, just looking at it, and let's see if it worked.
Yep, perfect.
Good.
Yeah, so if you don't have a ruler, that's totally okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
So what's going to be the next step?
All right, so the next step, you're going to have your rainbow just like this. And you're gonna staple, you're gonna hold them, pinch them together, and you're gonna use your stapler and staple it at the end.
Okay. Okay.
So once it's stapled, you are going to fold it just like a rainbow. I'm gonna go like this. Gonna pinch the other side. I started with pink on the bottom.
Okay, so am I folding it with the short part first?
The short part first, correct.
You start with your purple or whatever color you choose. Maybe you don't choose rainbow colors.
Okay.
So you line them up again and it looks like a rainbow.
Oh, yes, I see. Okay.
So now you pinch it and now you're gonna staple the other end.
Oh, cool.
You're gonna hold that rainbow in place.
It worked.
Perfect.
I have a little joke while we're waiting for the next step. What kind of bow can't be tied?
What bow?
A rainbow.
That's
Okay.
a good one.
Okay, what's next?
So once you have your two sides of your rainbow stapled, you're going to get your two cotton balls. And these are going to be your clouds.
Okay,
So you can stretch them out a little bit, maybe make them a little more to look like a cloud.
okay,
And then you're going to take one end of your rainbow and you're going to staple your cotton ball. It might take a couple tries to get it on there, but you're going to staple it right on the end of your rainbow.
okay.
So it should look something like this. Maybe bigger, maybe smaller. Yeah. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side.
Big fluffy clouds.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what mine are looking like today.
These are so cool.
I
You
love
want-
it.
While you're finishing yours, I have one more joke for you. It is, why do leprechauns like to recycle?
Why?
Because they like to go green.
Oh, so cute.
Thank you.
I love that.
Thanks.
I was having a stapler malfunction for a second.
That happens. So
There we go.
while you're-
All right.
There we go. So you know what I did on mine, the one I made earlier, is to look like the pot of gold. I just put some glue and glitter on there. And so it's like kind of spilled gold. It's no pot, but there's my gold.
I love it.
That looks so cool.
And
Leprechauns
you-
are so
you did one.
silly.
You made a pot of gold.
I did. They're so silly.
I love that one.
Love the glitter.
I know.
Thank
Really.
you.
So, you know, these I really love, and I like how I have a few of them now, and you can hang them and you can just use them, not just for St. Patrick's Day, they're just a really beautiful craft to have around the house. So thank you for teaching me how to do it.
Of course.
And if you'd like to see our other craft videos, you can go to our website, www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St.
Bye.
Patrick's Day.
Happy St.
Bye.
Patrick's Day.